My name is Chris and I attend at CYDI. So far, what I have been learning in the fashion lab is stitching pillows and put them together to, make designs and, just be creative with my ideas. So far, I've been, learning how to line up edges with the, sewing machines. Really, when I came to CYDI, my main focus was not no sewing, not no fashion. Fashion caught my attention because I love to dress. I'm gonna use the skills Miss A taught me in the future for my college preparation. Miss A is outspoken, she's loving, kind, and she's sweet. Miss A has been helping me step by step make this pillow with knowledge, wisdom, and practice. I designed this pillow for my little cousin, Imani Harris. She's 4 years old, and she loves pink.